BHP Group Limited, BHP. It's resources, metals, mining, headquarters in Melbourne, Australia. I've been trying to diversify into international markets. PE ratio of 8.3. We love to see that. That's under the 27x average. The dividend yield is 8.8%, 8.88%. That's big time. I like that. The debt to equity is 0.3 negative is 0.351. We like to see it under 1, but under 2 for sure. So these are the things we like to see in a dividend company. And again, we're up 6% right now. And some of the Gematria, BHP will supply coal, 222 English ordinal. And the real name of the company is Broken Hill Proprietary. So Broken Hill Proprietary Mining equals 333 English reduction. That's the company. That's the company. They've been around since 1888. It's almost a 150 years old company, if not more. Like, it's a 150-year-old company. It's been around a long time. It makes a lot of money for a long time. If it hasn't died yet, it's probably not going to die for a long time. Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, BHP, 333 English ordinal, 132 English reduction, and 453 reverse ordinal, which coincides nicely with BHP stock mining, all Asian energy. Like I said, they supply energy to Asia, 303 to English ordinal, and 132 English reduction, which goes to Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, and 453 in reverse ordinal. So that's good. Then we have Broken Hill proprietary stock, 137 English reduction. BHP supplies coke to Asian markets, 133 in English reduction. And we have China coal consumption supplied by BHP stock, 222 English reduction. We love seeing that. And just a little fundamentals. The assets on hand is 87.82 billion. The total liabilities is 41.27 billion. The net equity is 46.55 billion. So that's positive. Shares outstanding. They have a lot of shares. A lot. 5.06 billion. And so, you look at this when I go off my fair value, net equity, total liabilities. It says the stock would be at $9.19. Now, there's nuance to it. All right, it's sitting at $60 right now, but it's a company that you don't really have to worry about. They have a lot of cash on hand. They have more assets than liability, and so that's fine. My fair value calculations aren't always going to be perfect, so that's why you just have to see what it is. I'm not too worried. It's not going to ever go back down to $9 unless they issue more shares, and they already have a lot. Again, they're in Brazil, Canada, Peru. They have markets in China, India, sales and marketing offices. This is a world company. But I really like the angle where they're sitting here and they're right next to Asia to supply them for their coal on their EV push. So this is great. I think it's going to be a great company. If it gets in the low 50s, I'm going to add it again. It has a high dividend yield.